Unlock the power to precisely guide Midjourney's creative genius by learning how to use image references. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple, yet incredibly impactful process of adding an image to your Midjourney prompts. First, you'll need access to the image you want to use as reference, whether it's a photo, a piece of art, or even a sketch. Once you have your image, you need to get its direct web address. The easiest way to do this is to upload it to a chat in Discord. Right-click on the uploaded image and select Copy Image Address. Now, head back to your Midjourney prompt. You'll start by pasting that image address directly into the prompt bar. After the image address, hit the spacebar once, and then type your descriptive prompt, telling Midjourney what you envision for the final artwork. Think about the style, composition, and elements you want. For instance, if you want to create a vibrant cityscape in the style of a famous painter, you'd paste your sunset image URL, add a space, and then type something like a surreal cityscape inspired by Van Gogh's Starry Night. Midjourney will now use your provided image as a visual guide, influencing the color palette, texture, mood, and even compositional elements of the generated images. This allows for much greater control and precision, helping you achieve your desired aesthetic with remarkable accuracy. Experiment with different reference images and descriptive prompts to see the incredible results. Mastering image references is a key step to elevating your AI art.